Well, after the release of the Galaxy A72 and A32, here is the Samsung Galaxy A52. Ta-da! I don't know what Samsung doing in my region because they released these three phones in 1 week with 1 or 2 days delay. So I already unboxed the Galaxy A72 and A32 on my channel. Make sure to watch those unboxing also. And now it's time for the Galaxy A52. So for that, let's jump to the table. So here is the box. Box design is same as Samsung Galaxy A72 and A32. Print of the device and model number at top. Right side is clean and left side has print of Samsung Galaxy A52 logo. On bottom there are few features printed like 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage. On the top a sticker. So let's open the wrapper. It's my third unboxing in the same week. Pretty amazing. Warranty card is attached with the wrapper on the back of the box. Now let's open the seals. There are two seals on the back of the box. One this and second this one. And here finally it's time to open the box. Are you ready? And boom. On top as usual device with wrapper on which few features printed like Infinity O display, quad camera with optical image stabilization and IP67 water and dust resistant. Soon I will do its water test also, so make sure to subscribe this channel to get that video. Now let's open the wrapper. Wow, it's really amazing. Okay, before looking at the device furthermore, let's see what we have more in the box. There's an envelope with the branding of the Samsung on the top, and inside of the envelope we have few paperwork like here you can see, and the silicone cover which is really soft for our phone for the protection. And here is this SIM tool for the SIM tray. Now let's see the device. Okay, so here's the device. I have no words to explain. It's seriously an awesome design from the Samsung. It's an awesome, which I can say awesome. Okay, really I have no words to explain how beautiful it is. Its matte finish is just premium. Okay, if you are going to buy the Galaxy A52, then I will suggest you to get the black color. Okay, you will not regret, or you will not say any bad word for me. I will just suggest you the black color. It's premium and its design is a little bit same as the Galaxy A72 here we have. Okay, just the difference of model number or few specs. Now let's see what we got in the box next. Here's the USB cable for the power adapter. I think it's USB Type-C port. Okay, good. And let's put it on side. And next is the power adapter. It's providing us 15-watt fast charging. On the Galaxy A72 we are getting 25-watt fast charging, but on the A52 we have 15-watt fast charging. Okay, so now let's jump to the next part of the video in which I will discuss about its few specs related to its display, performance and the camera quality. Now let's jump to the other part. Samsung Galaxy back design in black is really cool. Believe me, when you will hold this phone in your hand, you will get the feeling of Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in low price. Samsung Galaxy A52 has matte plastic finish on back, which is not bad. Holding in hands give you feeling of soft and premium thing. And not only that, it's also very grippy in the hand even without protection cover. Although back is plastic but frame is aluminium. And on the bottom of the phone there is headphone jack, mic, USB-C port and speaker. And top has SIM tray and noise cancellation mic. SIM tray of the Galaxy A52 can hold two SIM cards at same time. But if you need to extend storage, then you will need to take out one SIM. And right side of the phone has power button and volume rockers, while left side is totally clean. However, there is only cover for the protection of back, but on front we have Gorilla Glass 5 to protect our Infinity O 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, which has 1080p resolution and 90Hz. And 90Hz is a major upgrade from the last year's Samsung Galaxy A51, while the pixel density is still same, which is 405. And the Galaxy A52 has on-screen fingerprint sensor, which is working fine at normal speed. And the brain of this phone is Snapdragon 720G, which is built on the 8nm process. But 5G variant have Snapdragon 750G. I have variant of 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. I will soon test PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile and the Asphalt 9 on this phone. So make sure to subscribe this channel to get those videos. And the Galaxy A52 has quad camera on the back. Main sensor is 64 megapixel, then 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel depth. There is no telephoto lens here on the Galaxy A52, but Galaxy A72 comes with telephoto. Camera quality is not bad, focus and colors both are good in wide. Soon I will do its complete camera review. And selfie camera is 32 megapixel. Here I took normal and portrait shots. Edge detection is good in the portrait, no doubt. Next, Galaxy A52 runs on the Android 11 with One UI 3.1 at top, and battery is 4500 mAh with 15 watt fast charging. Samsung advertised 50% charging in just 30 minutes. So this was the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A52. Soon I will upload its camera and performance test, plus its review also. So make sure to subscribe my channel to get those videos. And at the end, what do you say about this device? Please let me know in the comments below. Watch my other videos till the next one. Take care. Bye bye.